નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Good morning, students. Today, in standard 10th, subject mathematics, we are going to learn chapter 11, constructions. Today, let us take question number 5. Draw a line segment, first of all, of 8 centimeter. Then taking A and B as centers one by one, with radius 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter, draw the circles. Then we have to construct tangents to each circle. We have to construct tangents to each circle from the center of each other. That is, we have to construct a tangent to the circle with the center O and the radius center A and the radius 4 centimeter from point B, and also construct tangents to the circle with the center B from point A. So draw first of all line segment, then draw these two circles with center A and B, and then draw tangents from B to this circle and from A to this circle. So first of all, let us draw line segment 8 centimeter. This is the line segment 8 centimeter with AB is end mass. Now we have to draw the circle taking A as a center and the radius is equal to 4 centimeter. So let's draw circle . Then we have to draw the circle with center B and the radius 3 centimeter. Now the radius is 3 centimeter and we have to draw the circle. So we have drawn circles with center A and center B with radius 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Now our question is to draw tangents to the circle from point B. First of all, we have to get the from point B means we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. That is, we have to get the midpoint of line segment AB. So to get the midpoint of line segment AB, let us draw the perpendicular bisector. So taking radius more than half of, then taking this point as a center, and we have to draw the arcs that will intersect . So now this will get the perpendicular bisector. So let us have perpendicular bisector here. So you can see so here let this point be M. Now here 4 centimeter, here also 4 centimeter. Now taking this point as a center and the radius is equal to AM or BM, draw the circle. Taking radius is equal to AM or BM, draw the circle. That will intersect the two drawn given circles. So that will intersect the given circle at 2 points. You can see here that will intersect this circle at P and Q. Same way, the circle intersects this circle at R and S. So now we have to join BP and BQ. So these are the tangents to the circle with center A. Now this is PB and QB are the tangents. Same way we can draw AR and AS. So they are the tangents from point A to the circle with center B. Thus we say these two tangents are constructed to the circle with center A and two tangents are constructed to the circle with center B. So here are the required tangents. So now let us write steps of construction for this. So first of all, draw line segment AB 8 centimeter and circle with center A and radius 4 centimeter. Radius 4 centimeter and circle with the center B and the radius 3 centimeter. Now draw perpendicular bisector to AB. Let M be the midpoint. Let M be the midpoint of line segment AB. Now draw circle with center M and the radius AM which intersect the circle with center A and radius 4 centimeter at P and Q and circle with center B and the radius 3 centimeter at R and S. Join AP and join B here first of all join BP and BQ. BP and BQ are the tangents to the circle with center A and the radius 4 centimeter from point B, and join AR and AS are the tangents, required tangents to the circle with center B and the radius 3 centimeter. So these are the required tangents we have constructed. Now justification. How can you say that these are tangents to the circle? So first of all, you see, join AP and join AP and BQ. When we join AP and BQ, join AP and AQ, sorry. So what happens when we join this? We get angle APB and angle AQB, right angles in semicircle. Therefore, angle APB is equal to this, their right angles, and therefore we can say AP is perpendicular to PB and BP is perpendicular to AP and AQ perpendicular to QB. Also, AP and AQ are ready to the circle, Therefore, BP and BQ are the required tangents according to definition. When this ready forms right angle with a line segment from point B which touches the circle at the point of contact P. So AP is perpendicular to PB. AP is a radius and PB is perpendicular to that, forming right angle at P. Similarly here, and therefore they are tangents. Similarly, join BR, join BR and BS. You see, join BR and BS. BR and BS. So here we get right angle, and therefore from point A, AS and AR are the tangents to this circle. Similarly, join this, and therefore AR and AS are the required tangents. To the circle with center B and the radius 3 centimeter from point A. So this way we can construct tangents to the circle from a point given outside the circle. Now in question 7, draw a circle with the help of bangle. So here circle with the help of bangle is drawn. With the help of bangle we have drawn, so we don't know the center. So take a point outside the circle. We can take here point outside the circle. We have to take the point outside the circle. and then we have to construct tangents from this point outside the circle to this circle. So to draw the tangents to this, first of all, when a point is given outside, but we need center. So draw the circle, get the center, and then taking point outside the center, we can draw tangents to this circle. So let us find out center of the circle first of all. So for that, what we have to do? We have to draw two non-parallel chords. We have to draw two non-parallel chords. Here, suppose AB and CD are the two. AB and CD are the two non-parallel chords. AB and CD are the two non-parallel chords. And if we draw the perpendicular bisectors to these non-parallel chords, they meet at a point, and that is called center of the circle. So we have to find the perpendicular bisector of this. Then A and B are equidistant from that point. At the same time, C and D also equidistant from the point which is on the perpendicular bisector of it. It means you will get a point which is equidistant from A, B, C, D. That means it is the center of the circle. So let us go for perpendicular bisector of AB to get the center of the circle. Same way, we can draw perpendicular bisector of this also. For this, let us draw the arcs. So here you will get perpendicular bisector and you will get a point, common point, and that is called center of the circle. Same way, draw the perpendicular bisector here. That means is the O, center of the circle. So now we got the center of the circle. Taking point P outside the circle, we have to draw tangents to this circle from the point P. So first of all, we have to get the midpoint of OP, so that we can draw the circle with diameter OP. So get the midpoint here. For that, we have to draw perpendicular bisector again here for OP. So for this, so now you will get perpendicular bisector. That gives us M as a midpoint. So taking M as a center and the radius is equal to PM or OM, draw the circle. That will intersect the given circle at 2 points. So now you can see the circle intersects the given circle at 2 points R and S. So join PS here, PS and PR are the required tangents to the circle from the point P outside the circle. So let us write the steps of construction. So here, first of all, what is the draw circle with the help of Bengal. Then get center of it by drawing perpendicular bisectors. To the non-parallel chords, to the non-parallel chords AB and CD. So first of all, we have drawn the circle with the help of Bengal. Then we have to get the center. We have to draw perpendicular bisectors to the chords which are non-parallel. AB and CD are non-parallel chords. Then we get the center here. So to get the center O, here center O, we have to draw the center, get the center O. And to get this center, we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors to the non-parallel chords AB and CD. So that is drawn. Now, let P be the point outside the circle with center O and the radius R. Then join OP. So now we have to draw the tangents to the circle from point P to the given circle. So for this, we have to get the midpoint. Let M be the midpoint of OP. After getting this midpoint, draw circle with center N and radius Pn which intersect the given circle at R and S. Join PR and PS, and after this, thus PR and PS are the required tangents, So now how can you say that these are the tangents? So justification, how we have done for all other questions. Same way here, justification is, first of all, join OR and OS. So let us join OR and OS. When we join OR, here it is a right angle because it is an angle inscribed in a semicircle with diameter OP. Same way, here OR. So here also it forms a right angle because it is an angle inscribed in a semicircle with diameter OP. So here, after joining this, thus we get, therefore, here OS is perpendicular to PS. OS is perpendicular to PS and OR is perpendicular to PR. Reason is here. Why they are perpendicular? Because angles inscribed in semicircle. Angles inscribed in semicircle, and therefore they are perpendicular. Also, OS and OR are the radii of the circle. Are the radii of the circle with center O and the radius R, and therefore, as these radius are perpendicular to the line segment PS and PR, and therefore PR, PS and PR are the tangents to the circle, are the tangents to the circle. So this way we can construct tangents to the given circle.
Thank you for joining us.